Welcome to a future-ready Diamond University, the University of Nueva Cáceres. Experience quality education, nurturing environment, flexible learning solutions, and top-of-the-line facilities. The hybrid learning modality is a combination of in-campus, face-to-face attendance to traditional classes for students with limited internet connectivity and virtual attendance to traditional classes for students with stronger internet connectivity. Face-to-face attendance and virtual attendance at the same time in a single class, made possible by advanced facilities and technological capability. Meetings will be conducted for lecture discussion, collaboration, coaching, creative work, laboratory work, and assessment. The hybrid learning modality is a new delivery system to be piloted starting this school year. The class will be divided into two groups, but will be met on the same class time schedule by the faculty handling the subject. One group will be met on-site and the other group online. The students who are on-site are those who usually have weak internet connectivity. Selected courses, mainly board courses in the College of Education, Business and Accountancy, and Engineering and Architecture programs shall be delivered using this modality. Immerse in innovation. Invest in your success. Be future ready today. Be a UNCean now.